Hello friend, this is Ding from Multifit Solar. Here are some tips to help you know how to maintain the pure sine wave inverter. 1. Sometimes encounter such a situation, the inverter has just entered the shutdown process. Suddenly remember that there is still something unfinished, and then continue to turn on the inverter. It is best to have a time buffer between the shutdown and the restart to reduce the burden on its operation. In general, the time buffer between shutdown and restart should not be less than 5 seconds. 2. Keep the inverter clean. With the increase of use time, if you do not clean the inverter for a long time, a thick layer of dust will accumulate on its body. Dust still has a certain degree of influence on the operation of the machine, so it is necessary to clean it in time. 3. If the machine cannot operate normally, then do not disassemble the inverter at will. Otherwise, delayment will bring irreversible damage to the inverter during the disassembly process. When you suspect that the machine is faulty, you can cut off its input and output and contact professional maintenance personnel in time for inspection and maintenance. 4. Do not randomly place other metal objects on its fuselages after connecting the battery. In this way, there will be a short circuit in the battery, and if people are conducting examinations, then it will burn the human body. That's all. Thank you.